Welcome back to the pink envelope. I have two clothing boxes. These are both brand new to the channel, so I thought I would do them together. I think they each have like maybe 3 items inside of them, so it should be a really fun, quick, easy unboxing. I'm excited about these boxes because this is Judith and Joe, which by the way, I think is like the cutest name in the world. And in Judith and Joe's box, they do ethical clothing. They have a full brick and mortar store, super cute website, but they also have the subscription box where they send clothing for women. Then here is a Curated Thrift. They are actually a thrift store that has a thrift subscription box. I thought these two played really, really well together. If you've been watching my past videos and either budget was an issue or perhaps you're really wanting to move in a more earth-friendly, ethical manner, so those mass-produced clothing boxes are not your style, these are both going to be great options for you guys to look into. So no particular order. Maybe just because I think Judith and Joe is like the cutest name ever. I want to start with that box, then we'll dive over and play with a Curated Thrift. So Judith and Joe, as I said, is an ethical clothing subscription box. They have a monthly subscription. I do believe you can skip. They are a real brick and mortar store, so they have a great inventory behind their box. Even though the store and the online store style both men and women, currently the box only does women. It's $79 a box or a month. They do have free shipping in the US. Each box has ethical clothing in slow fashion with over $150 worth of the items inside. The box includes 3 items and they carry sizes extra small or 2 through extra large or 12. One of the cool things that this box does is you can return your items. So you pay the $79, you get to keep all 3 items inside the box. You're gonna get over $150 worth of clothing. However, if one of the items don't work, you can return it and send it back and you get a $15 store credit to go shopping with, which is crazy. We very rarely have the keep all boxes with the return policy. Okay, let us see what's inside here. I have not peeked, so I have no idea what to anticipate. On top it says, Samantha, we love this for you. Okay, on the very top is a bag. Oh my gosh, it has a super cute black alligator clip in it. I have a clip in my hair right now. I love these clips. This is actually a really great clip, and I love this matte black. We're gonna go all 90s real quick. I'll put my clip right there. Okay, what a great start. That was fun. Samantha, I hope you love these. Love, J&J. Cute little handwritten note on a cute little card. Hey, box babe, we love styling this for you. If you need to return an item, you get a $15 store credit. Bring it back to the shop or stick it back in the box. Replace the label with this included label. Tape it up, pop it in the mail. If you have any questions, reach out, Judith and Joe. Super easy, super self-explanatory. Love this. Oh my gosh. You guys, what did I say the box was? The box is under $100. $79. And it has a full freaking pant in it. How cool is this? This tag is made from seed paper, plant it and it will grow. My kid's gonna freak out about that. These are the Scarlet Mid-Rise Slim Night Stripe Pant, ethically made, thoughtfully designed, and sustainably produced. Retail value, $119. Oh my gosh, these pants are dreamy. I'm gonna try them on in just a second. I am just blown away. Cute. Oh, it looks like it's a full outfit. I love when boxes send full outfits so that it's completely thought-free for me. This is a super cute bra, super soft, super cozy, like great scrunch at the bottom. Love this. Oh my gosh, this is super on my green. They sent my green. They sent my green and my blue. I am so impressed. This is by a US brand, H-E-I-M-I-O-U-S, Hemius? size small. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Okay, let me go throw this on you guys. You guys, I think we just found another phenomenal box. Sorry, this is like not here nor there, but we spend so much time researching here. We spend so much time not trying to show y'all the same old stuff. And we go out on a limb and try to find small businesses. We're truly trying to source unique things. And I feel like recently we've been hitting some gold mines on these boxes, like Entry Envy was amazing. Judith and Joe is unbelievable. You guys, I am wearing what feels like over $200 worth of clothing. I know the pants have a retail value of $119. I don't know how much the shirt is or how much the bra is, but this is all divine, and it was $78. So here is the green shirt. It fits beautifully. It feels amazing. That perfect sleeve length that stops right there. It's a turtleneck, but not a turtleneck. Like, it's very non-restrictive. Love the color, love the stripe. The pant is unbelievable. It is an absolute perfect fit. And you guys have heard me complaining. I'm like, I want to get away from that basic, boring skinny. Look at the bottom of this pant. It is so cute. The stripe, everything on it is amazing. And they even included a bra. Like, I have to show you guys this. I'm not like just trying to take off all my clothes for no reason, but look at this. It is like super soft, super comfy, has really good stretch, thick enough that it's providing the privacy I need, but it feels like I'm wearing absolutely nothing. I am so shocked right now. So this is a crazy good deal, but in the fact that maybe I didn't like something, I could still return the item and get $15 to go shopping with in their store, which is just wild. What a great box. And I was just reading through some of the notes I had taken about this brand, and it says some of the items are ethically and sustainably made. Others are more ethical than sustainable, but all items are either made in a domestic factory, small batch, low waste, give back, made in regulated fair trade factories, and or use sustainable fabrics and practices, which on the pants, it notes that they do a whole bunch of things like responsibly sourced, WRAP certified, eco trim and packaging, 90% less water, 63% less energy, 70% less chemicals, and the tag I'm reading is full of seeds that my kiddos get to go plant in the yard. So if you want to try Judith and Joe, go down below. There is a link for you to sign up, and any current offers are going to be attached to that link. So when you click on it, it'll pop up any offers that they have. And those offers change very frequently, so feel free to check back frequently. Every box is curated based on your style profile, so this is not necessarily a spoiler. You can let them know what seasons you're moving into, what colors. I told them because of my hair, I love the greens and the blues, and that is what they sent. And I have myself a rockstar outfit for like $79. You guys, that is nuts. Okay, yay. Let's go grab a Curated Thrift and play with that box. So a Curated Thrift is a monthly clothing subscription. Once again, I think that they have the same skip feature. You get to choose. They have 2 box options, and they have 11 different styles to choose from. And so when I say 11 different styles, they have like minimal, grunge e-girl or e-boy, classic chic, academia, boho 70s rockstar, Hollywood Regency, Y2K, goth, cottagecore, athleisure, and other. They have a lot of different styles you can choose from. They have free shipping in the US. They do both men and women, which is really cool. And their current size range right now is extra small through 3XL. Bottoms are 0 through 42 inches. And they have a really quick and easy style quiz that you can hop on and take. So let's see what they put in here. I always open my clothing boxes with a letter opener because I'm super scared to stick scissors in there. So I'm gonna like cut the clothes. I did not tell either box if I had a preference for winter or not. We're in that like super midlife crisis stage in Texas where it was 80 a couple days ago and it's 30 right now, and then it's about to be 40, then it's going to jump right back to 80. And so I'm like, whatever you send me in March, I have a place for it because it's like crazy weather. So I'm not sure what to anticipate. It's wrapped on top like this. Oh my gosh, what do we have here? Oh my gosh, it's a necklace. Oh my gosh, can you guys see this? Let me just inch all the way up. Oh my gosh, you guys, this piece has such a vintage look to it. The back of it also is a pin. So like, it looks like you can actually remove it from the chain and wear it like a pin or a brooch. You can wear it as a regular necklace and have it stay in place. This piece is quite multifunctional and it has such a great vintage gold look. That is awesome. What a great way to start. So on top is the return postage should I need it right here. And on top we have a pair of Hollister jeans. I have to admit, I love Hollister jeans. About 2 years ago, I realized that they make a phenomenal jean, and I'm pretty stoked to see a pair in here. They look like a very Samantha pair of jeans. They are 24-inch waist, 28 in length, which means that I can roll and cuff them. I am always rolling and cuffing jeans. They are the high-rise super skinny. Oh my gosh, I wonder if I already own these. These are very Samantha pants. So we'll try these on. We'll see, I've put on a couple of LBs. So I'm a 24-25, we'll see what happens. Then this is a Vince Camuto shirt. How cute, extremely soft. Once again, a very Samantha print. Oh, this is long enough to wear with leggings. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. So I am excited to try this on. Can I just say one more time? Extremely soft. Also, I know a question a lot of y'all have asked is what do they smell like? Everything just smells clean. Not like a laundry detergent, just clean. Very, like maybe even no scent at all. Oh, I flipped it upside down. So here's a note. It says, thank you, Samantha. We curated a fun collection of color prints in spring. That's me. The vintage necklace is actually upcycled from an old brooch. Oh, I wonder if they made it. The 70s print blouse went so well with the pant. Please enjoy, Julia. And then here's a postcard about them on top. How cool. That necklace just got way cooler. That is awesome. So what is this top? Oh! I freaking love this top. Okay, are you guys ready? This screams Samantha. Oh my gosh. That is a fabulous top. The tag is super throwback, the petite concept by Devin. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. And what is this guy? Are they pants? They are pants. Look how cute it looks with this shirt. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me do this. I'm actually gonna go put these pants on with this shirt because it's a great match, and then I'll flip over to those. Give me a second. Okay, here's the top. I probably should have ironed it or pressed it so that you guys can see it, but I got excited. The jeans are a perfect glove fit. They feel amazing. And they're actually not distressed, which is really great because I'm pretty sure all of my jeans have distressing. And the other day I was like, I just want to wear a pair of knee-high boots and not have a hole. So I have pants for that. I want to tie this. Now this would be a perfect shirt for leggings, for sure. But like, can it tie up really cute? I'm wondering like if you, would it be cute tied? It actually is a pretty good sloppy tie. I'm a Texas girl. We tie things. That's what we do. I'm also thinking this would be a cute swimsuit cover up. When I'm out at the water, I like to wear like my bikini bottoms, but I don't necessarily want everything showing. This would be really cute with a cute bikini bottom, bikini top like this. And then like if you needed to slide into a restaurant or whatever, you could literally untie it and it becomes a shirt dress. I'm just over here like building the different outfits you could wear with this. This would be cute high waist belted. Like if I had a really great belt to wear, this is really, really cute. But I want to go put on that other top because that other top was everything. But this box is the seasonal box. So they have the 3 box options. They have the 2-piece box set, which is $49.95. You can get that monthly. The 4-piece box set, which is $79.95. You can get that monthly. Or you can do the seasonal box, and it's $119.95, and you get 5 items, 2 of the pieces being high quality vintage, which we saw with that necklace and that top. Those are unbelievable pieces. And I have 2 coupon code offers. So Spring Mix gives you 50% off your first seasonal box when you sign up for a year, which is 4 boxes. Or you can use Thrift Box, and it gives you your first box free when you sign up for 6 months or more. So you can do 6 months, 9 months, a year. So those are both crazy offers with free boxes. I rarely get those. Okay, let's go grab that last top. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's even better in person on my body. You guys, this shirt is amazing. And here's the funny thing. Freaking love this color. It's one of my crazy colors, oranges, that I don't wear a lot of, but when I wear them, I love. This is a very vintage top. Like, looking at the stitching on this is simply fabulous, but it's not itchy and weird like vintage clothing normally does. Like, I love buying vintage clothing, and I have several pieces like this that I wear with like high-waisted skirts or high-waisted bell-bottom pants, and they have, the material just gets weird. This one's not. It's actually really great. I freaking love this top. I mean, the pants are a perfect fit. The shirt I just had on is a little bit outside my style. I definitely like it more as a cover-up. Like, thinking about it with the swimsuit, I loved it. Didn't necessarily love it as much with my pant. And then the first pant is awesome. You guys, I feel like we struck gold with this haul. Both the Curated Thrift and Judith and Joe really focus on ethical and fashion, recycling, composting, carbon neutral shipping and footprints, and the way they're just functioning. It's just so good. I am so excited, you guys. So I have all sorts of notes below about both boxes. Price points, box options, coupon codes, shipping information. I have tried each of these boxes once. This is the first time, and right now I give both boxes a huge thumbs up. They are budget friendly, they are earth friendly. I feel like they're very customizable in their options. I mean, Judith and Joe has a return policy. Who does that? I am very excited about these discoveries. Okay, guys, we're doing so good. If you have not already, go join the Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. That's where we hang out and chat about all the things. If you saw something here that you love, you can hop on the group and chat with the other people there. It's an excellent community. It's a little easier to talk back and forth there than it is necessarily on my random Facebook wall or an Instagram wall. We're always hanging out there. Of course, comment below. We're going to answer questions. I always share with the boxes what we're doing here. If they want to weigh in, they're more than welcome to. I am just all over the moon with these 2 boxes. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. All right. Bye, y'all.